Hi guys, welcome to Forex Guides, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification bell, as well as share this content with other viewers like yourself. So and for those of you who has seen my previous videos, remember I said we'll be looking for a sell. We'll wait for price to come to these highs, and then we'll be looking for a sell all the way to the downside. Just go and check out that video for a recap so that you don't get lost. So anyway, let's get right into this video. So I don't know about you guys, but here the price has been a bit choppy, but there is some direction because we see lower highs and lower lows. So like I said, I'll be looking for sells, and I also caught my sells here. I'm currently in this sell. I'm waiting for price to go all the way to this low, which is the previous resistance. Now it's gonna be support. So my target is here, and then I'll see what happens when price gets here. If it reverses at these lows, I'll be looking for buys to the upside. But if it doesn't and it breaks out, if it doesn't reverse but breaks out, I'll be also looking for bearish continuation, and then I'll see how price plays out, and if it gives me entries, then I will enter. And guys, I also see that since price is kind of moving a bit correctively, even though it's making lower highs and lower lows, I see a descending pattern here, which is also a reversal pattern, Okay, let me just draw it nicely here. Yep, here guys. So if price doesn't go all the way to the downside and probably takes me out, cause I do have I've moved my my stop loss to secure some few profits. So yeah, I moved price to secure some profits. So if it does take me out, it's going to take me out with a bit of profits, which is also okay. I mean, profits are profits no matter what. So if it reverses right here where price is, then I'll also be looking for buys to the upside and wait for it to break out of this pattern, and then I'll continue looking for buys if price gives me entries to this high. Okay, so basically guys, this is just my overview on Nasdaq for the coming week, next week. Remember, I did say I am currently in a sell, and I did have my profit secured. I do have my profit secured. Let me just move this nicely so that it fits price section. I do have my profit secured. Okay, do have my profit secured somewhere here on MT4, guys. I just use TradingView to analyze, so sometimes I forget to put my long positions and my short positions, but I just know how I entered because I can see it on MT4. So yeah guys, that's it for Nasdaq. There's this pattern here, and this descending pattern. Remember guys, I like trading patterns. Patterns play out. Doesn't matter if it's an index or currency, guys. Even on Bitcoin, I've traded a few patterns on Bitcoin as well, but not that much on Bitcoin. But patterns do play out. That's what I'm just trying to play. Just that's what I'm just trying to say. That's what I'm just trying to say. Sorry about that. So yeah, and if price does go to that low, if price goes a bit lower, then I'll just have to adjust adjust this, the low of this pattern. So guys, still gonna give me the same thing, 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 depending on what happens here. Still gonna give me the same thing. Currently looking for sells up until this low, and then if price gives me bullish reversals and confirmation, then I'll be looking to buy. 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 And if it invalidates this pattern, oh yeah guys, patterns do sometimes get invalidated, because remember, the market is not perfect. The market is not perfect. Sometimes they do get invalidated, but that's not a trend smash, guys. Structure is key. Structure is key. Structure is key. So yeah, as I was saying, if it does get invalidated, as I said before, I'm just gonna wait for it to break this previous resistance. Here's gonna be support, breakout, and give me sell continuations, and then I'm gonna look for my sell entries and take it all the way to the downside, all the way to the downside, all the way to the downside. Okay guys, yeah, then that's just my overview, my analysis, how I see Nasdaq playing out for next week. So yeah guys, let's now move to the next, pair. So guys, as you know, I've been trading, I've been doing videos on USDZAR and Nasdaq, because those are the trades that I've those are the pairs, sorry, that I've just been focusing on recently, Nasdaq and USDZAR. So with USDZAR as well, guys, if you remembered, I said I'm looking for sales all the way to the downside until this low, but unfortunately that didn't happen. I did upload a video where I did my entry here, and I did manage to secure some small profits, but all is well. Like I said, profit is profit, profit is profit, guys, profit is profit. Nonetheless, profit is profit. So right now, let me just remove this previous analysis, remove this. Okay, I think this is, no, let me just remove this. Okay guys, yeah, right now price went all the way to the upside here, and it reached the previous resistance, which I marked here, this key level here, resistance. So guys, let me show you something. If you look at it like this, if you just zoom out, we can clearly see there is a head and shoulders. It price broke out of this ascending pattern and was expecting those sells all the way to the downside, but they didn't play out, but we caught some few trades and profits. So now guys, I want you guys to look at this. Just check this. This is a head and shoulders. This is a head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. This is just my first view of USDZAR. We'll get on to the second view. Remember guys, the market is not one-sided, so you must also not be one-sided. So I'm looking to also sell, guys. I'm also looking to catch the sales. Once price completes this shoulder here, I'll have confirmation because it's at the previous resistance, previous reversal zone. And you can see guys, currently we can see rejection, pin bar rejection, reversal candlestick. So we'll just see if on Monday if this changes, because now is the weekend, right? So we'll just see what happens. So if price does give us reversal candlesticks, it will also be a confirmation as well. It will also be confluence because I have a previous resistance, and also if it retests the pattern, that's another confirmation guys, plus the candlestick. So I'll also be looking for sells. I'll be looking for sells as well. just I'll just be looking for sells just until here, and then if it breaks out guys, I'm also gonna catch sells. I'm gonna catch sells. So yeah, that's my first overview of USDZAR guys. My first overview of USDZAR. Let me just get rid of this quickly, and then we'll look at the second overview. My second overview of USDZAR. Let me just do this. Okay guys, since we said this previously in the previous video, I said we're looking for price to reach this low here, just to recap on the previous video. We said, okay, let me just remove this resistance zone so that it mustn't confuse. Previously I say in the previous video, I said USDZAR was in this descending pattern as well, and I said we will be looking for buys here at the lows. Let me just remove this as well. Okay, before anything, previously I said price is gonna get here, we're looking for buys at these lows, but that didn't play out. It broke out, and I also said we'll be looking for sells. So let me just show you something guys. Let me show you something that happened. So guys, this is the market. You just need to adjust here and there. You just need to adjust. Your analysis might not, you might analyze during the weekend, and maybe your setup might take 2 or 3 weeks to play out. The market might change a bit guys, but that shouldn't stop you or change your bias. No. No, because sometimes doesn't mean if you set your analysis this weekend it must play out next week during the week. Nah guys, it doesn't work like that. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. So that's why in this business you need to have patience. You just need to analyze and have patience. Don't force trades when there are no trades guys. Don't do that to yourself, because you're gonna lose money. Yes, guys, we just evolving, guys. You see, we just evolved, guys. Let me just go to H4. Maybe it'll show up clearer there. Yes. You see, guys, that ascending pattern is still here. It's just that the price changed a bit, but it's still there. Price is still there. So I know some people could buys. I don't know how they could buys. It's their own analysis, which is also cool, guys. Which is also cool. Now I'm just showing you how I see the market and how I analyze and what trades I'll be looking for. Okay, wait, let me just see. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, I see. Okay. Alright, guys, let's get back to what I was saying. Remember, I said price changes a bit. So, guys, here, if I just do this, guys, okay, my mouse is a bit sticky, guys. I don't know what. Yes. Is this, guys, not the same as the previous videos analysis? It's the same, guys. It's the same thing. This descending pattern, and I said if price breaks out, we'll be looking for buys. We'll be looking for buys. So, guys, it's just a matter of adjusting, and I think there's a head and shoulder here as well. Yeah, there's a head and shoulder. There's a reversal head and shoulders as well here. Reversal head and shoulder here. The head, first shoulder, head, and here's the second shoulder. Where is this triangle? Okay, here. There we go, guys. There we go. And price broke out. And now it's heading to the upside. It's heading to the upside. So this is my second overview, guys. This is my second overview of USDZAR. Let me just move back to the 1 hour time frame and see. Yes, guys, you see. Okay, then this is just gonna be just adjusted there a bit, which is still the same thing, guys. This is the head and shoulder. This shoulder retested. Is this the left shoulder or the right shoulder? Okay, the right shoulder. Yeah, the right shoulder. Left, right. The right shoulder gave us a nice retest here, and then it went all the way to the upside, guys, and it's still going to the upside. This is my buy analysis. And before I showed you my sell analysis, and this is my buy analysis. So some of you might be asking, so how would I know if this buy is gonna play out or the sell is not gonna play out? Or I mean, if the buy is gonna play out and if the sell is not gonna play out, or vice versa. I hope it makes sense, guys. Sorry if I'm a bit confusing you, but I hope what I just said makes sense. I'll just clarify it here. Okay, let me just do this. Remove this, and let me mark my resistance. Okay, let me just use this line. Let me just use this line here. No, the zone is better. Let me just use the zone. Okay, let me use the zone. The zone is better, guys. The zone is better. 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 So, okay, let me just take my analysis back to how it was before. So that we are on the same page, guys. So that we're on the same page. Okay, I think it's fine. Yeah, guys. So, like I said previously, let me just remove this first. Like I said previously, guys, if price gives me reversals here, I'll be looking for sells, ne? But if price continues to the upside, guys, I'm just waiting for price to break out of this. Price must break into, back into this pattern, and then give me buying continuations. Must give me buy continuations and entries. Buy continuations and entries. Buy continuations and entries. Buy continuations and entries. Could be a flag, could be whatever. Then I know that okay. Price now is going to the upside. Then I will look for buys. But if this does not happen, and gives me my sells here, a retest or candlesticks, because it's already in the zone. So Monday I'll just be monitoring the zone. If the sell doesn't happen, it's fine, guys. I'll look for buys since I analyzed and I'm looking for it. Okay, so yeah, guys, I think that's all from me, and thank you for tuning into this video and staying so long into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that notification bell, and share this video. Until next time, guys, if anything major happens during the week, then I will try doing a video. So yeah, guys, till next time, this is Forex Guides TV signing out.